Similarity. Application of Pythagoras theorem. Theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. Theorem of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. Apollonius theorem. Theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. If the angles of triangle are of measure 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then the side opposite to the angle of 30 degree is half the hypotenuse and side opposite to the angle of 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. In triangle ABC, measure of angle A is equal to 30 degree, measure of angle B is equal to 90 degree, measure of angle C is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to prove side BC opposite to 30 degree angle is half of the hypotenuse and side opposite to the angle of 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. For that, we construct AD is equal to AC and BD is equal to BC. Now in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, we have a congruent angle pair and two pairs of congruent sides. Hence, triangle ABC is approximately equal to triangle ABD. Therefore, again we get segment AC congruent to segment AD and angle C congruent to angle D. Hence, angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 60 degree. Now in triangle ADC, angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 60 degree and angle DAC is also 60 degree. Hence, triangle ADC is equilateral triangle. Therefore, AC is equal to DC. Half of AC is equal to half of DC. But half of DC is BC. Therefore, BC is equal to half AC. Where AC is hypotenuse and BC is side opposite to angle 30 degree. In right angle triangle BAC, applying Pythagoras theorem, we get the value of AB, which is root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Where AC is hypotenuse and AB is side opposite to angle 60 degree. In this way, we proved in 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, side opposite to the angle of 30 degree is half the hypotenuse and side opposite to the angle of 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Theorem of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. If the angles of triangles are 45, 45, 90 degree of measure, then each of the perpendicular side is 1 by root 2 times the hypotenuse. We have given that in triangle PQR, measure of angle P is equal to 45 degree. Measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree and measure of angle R is equal to 45 degree. Now we have to prove side PQ and side QR opposite to 45-degree angle is 1 by root 2 times the hypotenuse. Now, in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to angle R is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, we get segment PQ is equal to segment QR. Consider a right angle triangle PQR. If we apply Pythagoras theorem, we get PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. If we put segment QR is equal to segment PQ, as we know from equation 1, we get PQ square is equal to 1 by 2 into PR square. By taking square root to both the sides, we get the result that PQ is equal to QR is equal to 1 by root 2 PR, where PR is hypotenuse and PQ and QR are perpendicular sides. In this way, we proved if the angles of triangle are 45, 45, 90 degree of measure, then each of the perpendicular side is 1 by root 2 times the hypotenuse. Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem can be expressed as in triangle ABC, if segment AD is a median, then AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AD square plus twice BD square. Now let us take one example based on Apollonius principle. In triangle PQR, M is the midpoint of side QR. If PQ is equal to 11, QR is equal to 12 and PR is equal to 17, then find PM. Now the solution. In triangle PQR, segment PM is a median. Therefore, QM is equal to MR is equal to half of QR. If we put the value of QR, which is 12, we get the value of QM and MR. Now applying Apollonius principle to this triangle, we get PQ square plus PR square is equal to twice PM square plus twice QM square. If we put the value of PQ, PR and QM, we get the value of PM, which is 13. Summary. In this subtopic, we learnt theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, theorem of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle and Apollonius principle. So that is all in this subtopic, student. Till then, keep learning. Maths is fun.